Well, today Christian turned 13. Christian Williams, he lives in the 6th district, and something tragic happened to him in the city. And after talking to the mayor and talking to the chief of police and Councilman Congo and Councilman Williams, we decided to do something nice for him and let him have a great experience in the same city where he experienced something tragic. On the night of June the 14th, he was shot twice in the leg just walking home from the corner store. And so after much prayer and supplication, we thought about it, we put the plan to action, and today we celebrated life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christian. Happy birthday to you.
Christian does aspire to be a police officer, and so in talking to other people, it's like, what can we do to make this day very memorable for him? He'll be turning 13. He had a situation where he was shot in the city, so what can we do to make this a day where it will always resonate in his mind that something great happened in the city of Wilmington? And the police were so gracious and gave him a tour of the police department, sitting there and just watching him just glow, being in the presence of officers and doing the fingerprinting and getting in the Bearcat and just watching him as he was in the forensic room. He just, you know that this is what he desires to do, and just seeing him glow while he was in the midst of what he ultimately desires to do, it really was a joy to bring that kind of happiness to a child today.
This
happen today? Right?
Yep, this is the roll call room. This is kind of, okay, here's the assignments, here's kind of what happened last night or last shift or whatever. Different people that we're looking for, things
Like
like
instead
that.
of prostitution, you would have the girl over here, and then they would sit as long there and
Yep,
listen
all-
and see what's going on.
Yep.
I watch Cops.
You got it.
They'll bring him here right before they report out what happened.
Bring them through. They'll sign them in over there. Get the person situated over there, and then I'll come over here and do whatever paperwork they have to do. So that's the report, the warrants.
So the secondary union doesn't have to fill out the report?
No. The only ones that will, like let's say these guys went out on the street and they stopped a person that was just wanted on something that was already in the system.
What's up, buddy? Boom.
They'll bring that person in, and the attorney will take that. Hey, we're going to take a walk out to your car.
All right,
So
sure.
we can show them your car.
What's your name? Christian. Nice to meet you, Christian. How old
Just had a
are
birthday today.
you? Did you? How old did you turn?
13.
Happy birthday.
Share this.
So
These cars have V8 engines. Really?
do that. You know more than me.
Yeah, they do.
This is the back seat. It's where you never want to be, which you never will be.
Yeah,
Be a police officer.
exactly.
Got the cages. You can open the door if you want. We have a radio. There's a printer, so we can print stuff out. Makes it handy. Let's see what else we got. Do you want to try the lights and sirens?
Which one's our first?
Just slide it. Keep sliding it all the way to the right. There you go. Got that.
This is exciting.
Hey Christian, good. Try that one. See how it looks on you. That shows what I'm doing right now. It shows that I'm down here, and then this right here shows where all the police officers are, which is good because we all want to know where each other are. So if we need help, we can go, and then our dispatchers, they know where we are. So it gives all of our names, our unit numbers, if there's one officer or two officers in the car, and then the location where we are. And then if we go somewhere else, it'll give like a secondary location.
Hey.
So everybody, it's your birthday?
Today's my birthday.
Officer Bender, where you going?
Yeah. Can your feet touch the pedals?
Yes, sir.
Right. Don't go nowhere.
Thank you.
Come on through here. I'll take it for your delivery while These are machines, I don't know if they showed you downstairs. We take fingerprints of everybody. This machine that we use, we roll your prints on here rather than inking anybody anymore. We still use the ink downstairs when we have people who don't want to come forward with their names and everything. We still ink them and send the cards off to the FBI. And we always find out who they are. It's just a lot of times they're just delaying. They don't, but these machines, these officers in here, they're fingerprint experts, and they use all these machines. This is hooked
You
up.
can use like fingerprints on the backside.
Correct. Your fingerprints, there's nobody else will ever have your fingerprints. They're with you from your fingerprint from the day you're born to the day you die. If you want to take your sample, take your thumb, just rub it in your forehead a little bit. That's good. Grab that, just press down on it real quick. That's good.
Pretty cool.
That's your print.
Lift it up.
Let's see what's wrong with it.
What's that? To see what's wrong with it, to see if we need to extract any evidence out of it, fingerprint it. It's a glue fuming chamber, it's a bigger one. Put stuff in here, put glue in it, heat the glue up really, really hot. It starts to stick to where the fingerprints on things. Beer bottles, Coke cans, glass, plastic, tires, pretty much anything. Anything, because we can fit pretty much just about anything we need to fit in. Have you ever rolled fingerprints before? All right. So let's give you your short education in fingerprint rolling. Okay, so when you're rolling a fingerprint, if you can look at it, right? All the different lines and swirls are all different on everybody's hand. Each finger's different. You're gonna try to go from all the way from this edge all the way to this edge. Okay, so when you're rolling them, you wanna put it on the line, right? And you wanna roll it out.
Okay.
Okay? Make sure you ink me up good.
Can I get your fingerprint, sir? Thank you. Fingerprint, roll it just like that. Okay.
So what are you supposed to do if he's like being combative?
Calling for assistance.
Put it back in a holding cell and wait till we calm
So
it
there,
down.
you can see it there as it moves out. You can see it there as it moves in two different directions there.
I thought it was absolutely amazing. I really appreciate the mayor and Sherry Dorsey and Trippy taking the time out of their busy schedule to actually come and celebrate my son's 13th birthday. I really appreciate all of them for doing that. I know this is a birthday that he'll never forget. I just want to thank the Wilmington Police Department for everything. Everything was amazing. I really appreciate everything that they've done, and I know that he's excited and thrilled.
I think if we just take the time as elected officials to really just connect with our constituents and know what's going on in our communities, we all can do these kinds of things to bring smiles to our constituents' faces. And really that's what this is all about, helping our community and just being in a position where we can just make a difference in the lives of others.